Thank you so much for having me here. My name is Peter Williams, and I'm the founder and director of Advanced Hypnotherapy of Naples. Now, although most of you know what hypnotherapy is, perhaps have heard about it. I'm sorry, my confusion. You asked the words a little. Okay. A lot of people are not sure how hypnotherapy can be used to help them. Now, what is hypnosis? And again, most people understand in a nutshell what it is. However, asking most people get a very complicated answer. But in a nutshell, hypnosis is an altered state of awareness. Yes. Altered state of awareness. In other words, a definition from the Hypnotherapy Academy of America states hypnosis is a naturally altered state of awareness where the critical faculty is bypassed and selective thinking is maintained. Now, if anyone here has experienced hypnosis? No. Nobody here.
It didn't work.
It didn't work. Okay, let's talk about this for a little bit to identify the states of hypnosis. Now, has anyone ever watched a movie or read a book and felt an emotional element as watching that movie and perhaps even crying or feeling your eyes welling up as if you want to cry? Yes? Now, the thing is, there is a few things that happen on a conscious level. One, we know that this is just a movie. Do you mind if I put this down?
Yeah. Okay. Just talk about it.
Yes. We understand that this is just a movie. And these are actors and actresses merely pretending. This is make-believe. So why do we cry? Why do we feel sad or feel our eyes welling up as if we're going to cry? This happens because as we become immersed in what we're watching, or perhaps it's even a book, our conscious mind that knows that it's not true, not real, merely acts as an actresses, pretending, becomes more and more suspended. And the more suspended our conscious mind becomes, our subconscious mind takes over. And we now feel as if the elements of this movie are true, real, and it's happening right now. And so we feel those emotional elements. We then cry, or we can feel sad or happy, or even in some cases, we feel angry. And that is hypnosis. When we drive from point A to point B, we get to point B and we realize that, wow, I can't believe I'm here already. I thought driving for 15 minutes. You look at your watch, you were driving for half an hour, perhaps even an hour. As you drove, you drifted off into an altered state of awareness. Your mind wandered off, even although muscle memory took over, you could still see the road and you could still respond if the car in front of you stopped. And right there, when that happened, you would snap off that state of hypnosis, go, stop. And as the traffic moved, you would then lull yourself back into a state of hypnosis. So technically, every single person on this globe have experienced hypnosis. In fact, we experience hypnosis multiple times a day. Some experts believe that we actually experience hypnosis every 120 seconds. Interesting, huh? That you didn't believe that you actually experienced hypnosis before. Now, to think that you experience this every 120 seconds. Approximately every 120 seconds, our mind wanders off in thought, in an imagery that we have. Even when we're in conversation with someone, we remember something or we see images in our mind. And so every time we move away from the here and now, we're moving into the altered state of awareness, which is hypnosis.